Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The euro dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
AMD's near doubling of its AI processor projections to $3.5 billion was not enough to meet Wall Street's lofty projections for the company's AI fortunes, or assuage the pain of a significant drop in its programmable chip and video game businesses. The Bank of England is widely expected to leave interest rates at a 15-year high of 5.25% for a fourth straight month. The BOE's Policy Committee will announce its decision today, and markets are predicting a 98% chance that interest rates will be held at the highest level since 2008. Tether reported $2.85 billion of profits last year, as its flagship token USD neared $100 billion market capitalization. Through last year, the company booked $6.2 billion in net operating profits.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM manufacturing PMI will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices at 1000 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 1330 GMT. Australia's import price index will be released at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 00 hours and 30 minutes.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.